Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sylvia. Today I'm going to show us how to make this brooch. This can be used as a brooch, earring, and also make it into a necklace. So if you have any question after watching this, don't forget to ask. Subscribe to my channel if it's your first time of watching my videos. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at CCVcraft, on Facebook at CCVcraft. Also like, comment and share my videos. So you can make this brooch in whatever size you want. The green one was made with size 10 round bead with size 2 seed bead. Good. And the red one is made with size 8 chalk bead and size 2 seed bead. So let's get started.